Okay, the directions say the architect of Daedalus could not have anticipated ending up trapped in one of his own designs. Read how he escaped. Then do numbers 12 through 22. The story of Daedalus, a retelling of the Greek myth. Remember, at any time you can stop this, pause it, answer your question, and then press play again so that you can get through all of the questions. Number 12. Icarus can best be described as very clever, which means that he can think of ideas, plans. Very careless, which means he really didn't care. A good student. A great hero. Number 13. Why did Daedalus design the labyrinth? To imprison the monster called the Minotaur, to help Theus and Ariadne escape Crete, to impress Minos with his cleverness, to make Icarus proud of him. Number 14. Ariadne gave Theus a ball of thread so he could sew a magical coat to protect himself, weave a net to trap the Minotaur, make a rope to climb over the labyrinth wall, find his way back out of the maze. Number 15. When Ariadne ran away, it caused Minos to imprison Daedalus in the labyrinth, ask Daedalus to build a new labyrinth, decide to fight the Minotaur himself, fly away from Crete to look for her. Number 16. Where did Daedalus and Icarus build their wings? Inside the labyrinth, at Minos' palace, on board a ship, in Sicily. Number 17. Which of the following occurred last in the story? Icarus and Daedalus flew away. Theus fought the Minotaur. Ariadne asked Daedalus for help. Daedalus designed the labyrinth. Number 18. The wax on Icarus's wings melted because he flew over the maze wall. His wings beat too fast. He flew too close to the sun. His father forgot to warn him. Number 19. How did Daedalus probably feel when he arrived in Sicily? Worried that the Minotaur might find him? Excited to teach people to fly? Sad that his son was not with him? Honored to be able to meet the king? Number 20. Which of these is a theme of the story? Even kings can be poor in riches. If you rush, you might do a bad job. If you think hard enough, you can find a solution to a problem. Hard work always pays off. Number 21. The author's purpose in writing this selection was to persuade readers to study Greek architecture and history, give information about the history of flight in Greece, explain how to build a variety of different structures, provide a lesson about paying attention to advice. Number 22. Which word best describes Daedalus? Greedy, cheerful, creative, loyal. Okay, like I said, you can pause the video at any time to listen to a question, pause it and answer it, or go back and re-listen to something. In this part, it says write your answer to question B on the lines below. Base your answer on the two selections. Base your answer on the two selections you have read. So this is going to be a combination of both of the sections or selections that you have read. Think about what Ichiro and Dodulus did in these two stories you read. In what ways do the two characters act similarly? Use details or examples from both stories to explain your answer. Right there, it says use details and examples from both stories. So you need to make sure that you're putting both stories into the details into your answer.